Hey there gamers, in this video I want to talk to you about the Bounty Notice Warren quest in Crimson Desert. So first things first, once you've picked up the notice from one of the lampposts or boards around town, obviously you do need to read it in order to start the quest, and then we need to go and apprehend the outlaw. Now one thing that you can do really quickly is just press it, so click it like this until you've got this X just showing here, and then if we come over to our map function, you will actually see on our map that we do have it highlighted down here. So if I just go ahead and move the map here and we zoom in, you can actually see that it is down here. So we do have quite a way to go. But you want to basically mount up on your horse, go across the bridge just outside of town here, and then do the same thing again here and follow the road down to this X. Now in order to actually get to Warren, you are first going to have to do a series of quests, which are the Porrin Forest Guardian quest chain. So this is the Unreachable Village quest chain here. You will be stunned by the children when you come through the village, and this will start the chain quest where you speak to Sheer. She will be waiting for you when you wake up at a camp, normally by the tree just here. And when you speak to her, she will then tell you to go and speak to Arkin. Arkin again can be found on your map. So obviously Warren is just here, Arkin is over here, and this is where we will need to go and speak with him. So once you get over here and you're looking for Arkin, you're going to want to look for this sort of elevated cliff just here. I'm just below this giant cliff, but you should be able to find this ledge fairly easily and look for the kids up here, and then we just go ahead and talk to Arkin. Once we've gone through the chat dialogue, we then need to play a mini game where we get the relic off Offin. Offin is an Ent that patrols the gorge below us. If you can't find him immediately, do just hang about a little bit and he will turn up. So in order to do this, you want to basically start climbing when the leg is still. Then once you reach the top, go ahead and just take it off his head, and be sure to jump off behind him so you don't take any crush damage as he walks forward. From there, we simply need to go and hand in. To hand in, it's very simple. We just need to go back to Arkin, who was the child that gave us the quest at the beginning. And as you can see, once we've handed in, we then have the ability to enter the village. Now once we're back at the village, all we need to do is run over to him. He will attempt to run, but all we need to do is just tackle him. And then once you've tackled him, go ahead and soften him up a few times, and then we can go ahead and tie him up. Once you've picked him up, simply call your mount, and then we can go ahead back to the village and hand him in. And then once we've brought him back, we just have to go ahead and hand him in. And that is how you can complete the bounty notice for Warren in Crimson Desert. Really hope that this tutorial helped, guys. Please do drop a like and subscribe if it did. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.